Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The United States exchange Nasdaq has asked regulators for permission to list a 21 shares exchange-traded fund holding the popular meme coin Dogecoin, regulatory filings show. Nasdaq must gain approval from the Securities and Exchange Commission before it can list and trade the fund. The US dollar advanced, lifted by the Trump administration's plan to ease the impact of auto duties on local car manufacturers, as well as the prospect of more tariff deals with some trading partners. US President Donald Trump will soften the blow of his auto tariffs through an executive order, mixing credits with relief from other levies on parts and materials, after automakers press their case with the administration.
The sterling dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
The economic calendar for the upcoming days promises to be busy and full of crucial updates. From high to moderate importance, these data points will play a role in influencing trading sentiment and guiding market forecasts. Traders and investors should remain vigilant as these data points approach. Being prepared for possible market reactions will be vital to navigating the financial landscape effectively.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.